Today's video is regarding HP DeskJet 3634 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do two-sided copy, how to do wireless printing and wireless scanning of multiple pages and saving it as a single PDF file. The first step is to switch on the printer, load the A4 size sheets and open the paper output tray. So once we are ready, we are going to activate the Wi-Fi direct of this printer. So go to the display panel and click on the Wi-Fi direct icon. It will activate the Wi-Fi direct and same icon will be available in the screen here. We also need to print the password of this printer, so click on the information button. So printer prints a page here, that is the printer information page, and under the Wi-Fi direct icon look for the name of the printer and its password. Now go to your iPhone or Android phone and open the Wi-Fi setting. In the Wi-Fi look for the name of the printer, Direct D6 HP DeskJet 3630 series. Enter the password as it was displayed on the printed sheet and click on the join button. Now go and open the HP Smart app and on the top of the screen click on the plus button. In the next screen you will see HP DeskJet 3630 series printer. Click on that. It will add up here and it will show up the level of inks left. Now we are ready to do the wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the copy. Open the top scanner lid. Place a page facing downwards on the right hand side corner and click on the copy button. So here we can see it has copied on the page 1. Now to do a copy on the other side, take the upside down and reverse it. Now insert it here, open the top scanner lid and place a second page facing downwards and click on the copy button. So here we can see the page is available. So copy on the page 1 and that is on the back side page 2. To do the wireless printing, go to your app and look for the print document section. Under that you look for any file you want to print and click on the print button. Here you can confirm the print and just give the final confirmation. Here we can see, so this way we can do the wireless printing. Let's do the multiple scannings. To do the scanning, we first open the top scanner lid and place the page facing downwards on the right hand side. Go to the app and look for the printer scan option and click on that. Click on the blue icon. Once you see the scanned copy here, click on the plus button. Open the top scanner lid and place the second page facing downwards. Click on the blue icon. Here we can see the scan is arrived. So these are the two pages. To save it as a PDF, click on the save button. On the next screen you can change the name, you can change the format to the PDF and then the file size and click on the save button. And here we get an option, if you want you can save it to the HP Smart app and it will be saved there and you can access the file from there anytime. So that's the way we can do the wireless printing and scanning and copy. Thanks for watching.